Bonjour et bienvenue to my YouTube channel Learn French with Shifa. It is part 3 of our series Les Pronoms Personnels, the personal pronoun series. And today in this video we are going to learn COI, which in English is Indirect Object Pronoun and Compléments d'Objet Indirect Offensé. And as you can see, COI could be used only for the replacement of beings, persons. It is not to be used to replace the things. Now let's understand what makes an object indirect to the verb. With the help of this example. Elle parle à son ami. Elle parle à son ami means she talks to her friend. Now she is subject, parle is verb, and then son ami is the object this verb brings to the sentence. Now look at this a preposition. This is the preposition which makes the object indirect to this verb. Elle parle à son ami. With this preposition a, the object son ami becomes indirect to the verb. So which makes it COI. Now looking into the options here. Ma, ta, nu, vu. Yes, COD and COI for first and second person they have the common options me, you, us and you. But for the third person the options are changed. Here in COI we have lui and leur. Lui is used for both him and her and leur is used for them. Now let's understand the position and the replacement of the nouns with the help of these examples. The first one. Vous parlez à vos parents. You speak to your parents. Now make sure that there is a preposition between the verb and the objects. Only then the object would fall into COI category. So we have them. So we'll write leur. And where do we place our pronouns? Before the verb. So vous leur parlez means you speak to them. Second example. Now with this we'll learn how to place our pronouns in case there are two verbs. Elle va téléphoner à son directeur. Elle va téléphoner à son directeur. So son directeur means him. And we have two verbs. Where are we going to place our pronoun? Before the second verb. And second verb is téléphoner. Elle va lui téléphoner. And she is going to telephone him. In third case, we will learn the negative and the placement of pronoun. So, nous n'avons pas parlé à notre directrice now. Directrice is her, but we have the same option for him and her in COI, that is lui. Find the verb and place your pronoun there. The verb is avons. So, we will write lui before it. So, nous ne lui avons pas parlé. Just see this, that in COD, we write the accord in the past participle, but in COI, there is no such case. COD brings the accord, COI does not bring. And lastly, we learn about the exception when it comes to COI. There are some French verbs which do not follow the COI or the indirect pronoun pattern. Some are like penser, croire, and all the pronominal verb like s'intéresser, faire attention à, certain expression. When they come with a and they bring the person, they don't take COI. They take the disjunctive pronoun which we have learned in part 1 of our series Pronoms Personnels, and the options are moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, elle. Now instead of COI we will be using those options, and we can see here with the help of these two examples. In first sentence we have the verb parler, and in second we have the one of the exceptional verbs here, penser. Elle parle à son père. She talks to her father. So her father is COI, lui, and we write elle lui parle. She talks to him. But when penser verb comes with à son père, it does not take COI. It takes the after preposition pronoun, and there we have lui option, and it should come with the preposition as it is after preposition pronoun, and we must have the preposition there. So elle pense à lui, and she thinks about him. Parler with COI and penser with disjunctive pronoun. And with this I conclude our today's session. For any suggestion and query, put them in the comment section, and if you have enjoyed watching my video, please like and subscribe to my channel Learn French with Shifa, and I'll see you soon with a new video where we learn Y and EN pronoun of our second category, pronom personnel. And with this, je vous dis au revoir, bonne journée.